Hello and welcome to Stained Glass Gaming, where I turn video games into glass. Today, I'll be turning the Google Stadia logo into stained glass. I'll only be turning the logo into stained glass, and not the space between the logo. In essence, it is only one piece of glass. While I was at my local glass shop, I saw this red and orange glass and bought it. It was the best I could do to try and match the red/orange color. I have my opinions on Google Stadia. I didn't buy it because I have potato internet and wouldn't work for me. As cool as it sounds to play games on any device, I feel the initial list of available games doesn't make it worth it for me. Aside from all the problems that it has had since launch, I've invested so much into Xbox that it doesn't make sense for me to jump ship. At the very least, the ads for Stadia are entertaining. Even with the ring saw, I was unable to cut out the very small parts, so I used the Dremel to grind those. I suppose that this could have been made without a ring saw, but it would have meant much more time grinding though. It only took me 4 hours to make this, from paper to finished piece. I really like how this looks with the sunlight shining through. This type of glass was definitely an impulse buy, and I'm happy with the result. Like, share, comment, and subscribe if you enjoyed this video. Let me know what you would like to see me make down in the comments. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you all through the next pane.